In a successful undercover operation, Baijalbari Police arrested 3 key masterminds of an illegal Teer gambling racket. Acting on intelligence, OC Jugal Tripura deployed plainclothes officers at multiple locations, leading to their arrest. Baijalbari was apprehended at Jumia colony with gambling materials and Rs 2,500. Kumud Debarma and Ramesh Debarma were caught at Ratanpur market, where police says Rs 19,500 and Rs 10,500 respectively. OC Jugal Tripura stated that this crackdown marks a significant blow to the local gambling network and confirmed that strict surveillance will continue to eliminate such illegal activities in the region.
Khorang Chini area wo ti thangai rok kobong ma tongmani kintu tabok dili romjang ma boge kichak komekha phano borok sok somoi no police lama rok guard di tono abon boge ang borono romaiya belaino chesta khayo haipono romaiya tini khai ang ani thanani staff rok no civil dress bai rohorka rohore bazar borok guard di tongkha naisomui tongkha bini pore an thani khobor phaikya je thangai rok tongo sar hini a khobor manma loge ang ani staff tai officer ani je thanani joto staff tongmani abono gari bai tlangai thangai ang borono romoi tubuka puila kaisa jengoni thangka bogabil bazaro romkha bishes deborma jumiani bono romkha bin loge je ti number thangnai paper rok rang rok binoro prai 2,500 rang ang mangkha bini pore aro ni tekaisa ani dol borok ani staff sahorka sar Ratanpur bazaro bo thangui tongo hnei Ratanpur bazaro thangai kumud deborma bai Ramesh deborma no alada jagani borok dujonano bo romkha kumud deborma ni yago prai 19,500 rang mangkha thangnai manai soho tai Ramesh ni aro 10,000 10,500 moto bini aro bo mangkha khorok satamno romkha romoi boroni aro sungtu bukha jeta gambling act no tui borono ang arrest khaikya 12 TG act section no khaikya borok khorok ta miliboi rang prai 31,000 32,000 moto rang mangkha sis khaikya ang si borono to jehetu amo available no phano tang be suitable bailer phaikya khai tang rinai rang tai je thangnai materials no kang sis khaiya bu kuro ang rohnai.
Reporter BB Blog from Chini, Khorang.